This is Dr. Afroz Fatima from Afia Healthcare Center, Bangalore, joining with you directly from the Ayush Talk. I visited Global Confluence of Ayush, which is happening in Palace Grounds. As I'm practicing Unani medicines, I would like to share a few thoughts about Unani medicine. The first thing is nowadays we see people getting ruined with lot of medicines which has so many side effects. But Unani medicine is something which is very rare, and it's a traditional profound which can be accepted throughout, not only to treat your symptoms but also to put forward the holistic way of well-being and treatment. After COVID, people have totally evolved their thinking of health. Health for them, it's not about only signs and symptoms getting treated, but it's about getting regaining their health completely back. So we put forward many of the Unani therapies, the pharmacology, the Ilajbil Tadbir, dietotherapy, as well as some of the basic principles which with which we can have a very good massage analysis and a nubs analysis. Based on this, treatments can be conducted and an individual is treated on the basis of a complete human being, an individual who's affected. So, I would like to request all the people out there to just concentrate on being treated holistically and not just getting your symptoms and signs treated, because we have certainly some best Unani treatment practices going on for some chronic illnesses. As we see hypertension, thyroid, diabetes, it's prevailing a lot. So this is a time when we can go back to the roots of the ancient traditional medicine and regain our health back, so that the quality of life is being affected, the quality of life is improved. In that way only we can regain our health back. So let's all join and come to the global conference and just go towards handling the Ayush system of medicine, which is the Indian traditional system of medicine, and gain our health reback. Thank you.